Hi friends, this video shows how to back up all data to laptop, then later restore. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system, then go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back, go to system. Under system you can find new option, developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. From this list, let me enable this USB debugging or ADB debugging. Select OK. Done. See, now I have enabled USB debugging. Then let me go to laptop. Here in this laptop we need to install one new software. See, we need to install this ADB tool. We can download this zip file from internet, then extract it. Let me open that folder. Here you can see adb.exe. So we need this tool. Then open command prompt from this folder. Here I already opened command prompt. From here you can run adb commands. Before that we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. See, here I already connected this laptop to TV using USB cable. Next I am going to trigger backup. Here you can see lot of commands, but in this video we are going to concentrate only on these two commands, backup and restore. First I am going to take backup. This is a command. It will take backup of all data from this device, then store into this file. So let me run this command. Copy that, then paste here. Enter. Here you can see one white screen. Here go to bottom right corner, select backup my data. See, backup starting, backup finished. Okay, next I am going to check this backup file, backup.ab. Here in this laptop, go to this folder. Here you can see backup.ab. Here you can see the size of that file. This is a backup file. After this backup, if you want, you can trigger hard reset or factory reset. Then later you can restore this data. That is the use of this backup and restore. Next I will show you how we can restore. This is a command, restore command. ADB restore, then that backup file. Copy this, go to terminal, paste, enter. Again you can see that white screen. Go to bottom right corner, set restore my data. See, restore starting. Done, completed. So this way we can back up all data to laptop, then later restore. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.